Okay guys, so for this monthly favorites video, I'm going to actually do it get ready with me style, just so that you can see all the products I've been loving in action. But I am so sorry because the sun definitely tried to play me, and you will see so many color changes during this video. Y'all, so sorry. I do use natural lighting, so just bear with me. Up first are these Desio contact lenses. These are the Rebel Gray color from the Wild Attitude collection. This is an FDA approved Italian product. I did receive this through Octoly. If you watch my videos, you guys know I love the wild green color, but I decided to pick this one up and I'm glad I did. But it does look more blue than it does gray, okay? And I will say that these are not quite as comfortable as the wild green ones, and I wish that the center of the lens was a little bit more blended. It does look a little bit unnatural. And like I said, they're not as comfortable as the green ones, and so it does take a little bit of a minute for my eyes to adjust, but overall I do like these lenses. Check them out for yourself. I also have picked up this Estee Lauder DayWear matte cream, and ever since I started using my Bobbi Brown face base, I've been loving creams that serve dual purposes. So this actually is an oil control antioxidant moisture gel cream, and it moisturizes but also leaves your face with a matte finish, which is wonderful for oily people like me. You can get this at your local department stores. I picked mine up from Octoly. And I have been really loving it. It does smell like spa and like cucumber. So if you're not into cucumber, you might not like this product, but I love how silky it leaves my face, but still matte, if that makes sense. So it doesn't suck up everything and make you feel really dry, but it does a great job of controlling the oil, and it's perfect before makeup, and I really do enjoy this product. For brows, I've been loving two different products, and normally I don't use them at the same time, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys. I've been using the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Gel or Brow Pomade in the color Espresso, and to me, y'all, this is a dupe for the ABH Dip Brow. This is so much more cheaper, and I love how creamy this is. This is just, I probably would never buy a high-end brow pomade again because this one is really good. But then also I've been using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, and I really do enjoy this one, but I don't like to use the applicator it comes with. So I take a little angled brush, and I have mine in the deep brown, and I just kind of plug it in there, and it's liquidy. Makeup Shayla put me onto this. It's a little bit liquidy, and so it kind of really glides on, and it looks really natural. So typically I don't wear them together, but I just wanted to show you guys how they both work. But they both have been awesome. Cleaning up my brows with my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I've talked about this before. I have mine in the color Caramel, and look how easy this Morphe brush makes it for me to prime my lid. I just pop on my Morphe G38 brush right into that pot and literally just dab it onto my lid, and my eyes are primed in like 3 seconds. Like, look at that, boom. I love this concealer for cleaning up brows and priming my lids. It's creamy, it's semi-matte, it's really nice. Now for eyes today, I'm going in with the Bad Habit After Dark palette. And what do y'all think this is a dupe for? Yes, y'all, that Huda Beauty palette. I love this palette. Bad Habit, y'all already know, is banging. Like, their palettes are always really good. But I will say this Bad Habit palette, the After Dark eyeshadow palette, hands down has the most kickback that I have ever seen in a Bad Habit palette. They are very loosely packed, and it is a ton of kickback all over your palette, so that's kind of annoying. But the colors are definitely buttery. They are blendable, very pretty. This has been like my go-to neutral palette lately, just because I like to throw on pretty much a matte brown all over the lid and keep it moving. There's only one shimmer in this palette, and that is that center color 24 karat, and I'm just popping that on my lid. Again, this is just an everyday look, so I didn't cut my crease or spray it with anything, because these colors are fairly pigmented without any sort of spray. So I do love these palettes from Bad Habit. Again, if you don't like powdery shadows, you might not like this one. It does have a lot of fallout, but I still found them to be very nice quality shadows. And I think they have a bundle where if you get all 4 of them, you can do it for $30. I don't know if they're still available or whatnot, but I do like this. And I actually took my eyeshadow up a little bit too high, so a good trick is to take a light transition color and just blend that out. Now, because there's a lot of fallout, I've been using this Neutrogena Deep Clean Micellar Cleansing Water. Now, this stuff smells like nail polish, but I have been liking it to clean my brushes, actually. Now for complexion, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. Y'all, this is my new favorite primer. It is perfect. It is a great combination between being mattifying and moisturizing. Like, I don't like mattifying primers like the Becca Evermatte that's so matte that it really just like sucks everything out. Like, it's great for the summer, but for right now, I don't need all that. And this one is like creamy, but yet really does dry down your face. So I highly recommend this one if you are an oily girl. It's not going to suck everything out, but it is going to keep it nice and matte and create a really great base for your foundation. Y'all, this has been my favorite foundation. This is a Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation in the color DN3. Comes in this nice giant, you know, doe foot applicator with a nice glass bottle. This stuff is so nice, y'all. Like, literally, it is a little bit messy though. Like, the applicator, when it goes in and out, the stopper, it kind of gets everywhere sometimes, but it's so nice. It has SPF in it, brightening complex. There's so many good vitamins and things inside of it. And I found that as I've been using this, my skin has looked a lot better. Now, I deviated from using this recently, and then I started having some breakouts. So you will see some breakouts on my face now, but I'm telling you guys, this stuff is really good. And look at this coverage. I believe this is a dupe for the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation. For concealer, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal in C12 and then popping on my L'Oreal Pro Glow. I love this concealer combination, especially with this foundation, because the foundation has like a nice radiant glow to it. And y'all, while I was tripping, I know if you watched my Shop Miss A video, you saw me use this AOA blender, and I did not like it because of how firm it is, but I have learned that it is actually quite bomb. I just had to give it a second chance. You guys know how it goes. You have to give things a second chance. For bronzer or contour, I've been using this Morphe G37 brush and this LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. This is my favorite bronzing contour shade because it is on the warmer side, and this brush is perfect for it because it has a good balance between being dense and kind of fluffy at the same time. And this just has been my, you know, greatest my favorite complexion combination lately. Like, this foundation with this, you know, concealer and this contour has just been really pretty. And this Wonder Blender is perfect because it really does clean things up really nicely. I had to get used to it being, you know, not as firm or not as soft as I like, but oh my gosh, it's going so fast. Okay, Collab Loose Setting Powder is a dupe for the Dermablend Setting Powder. I got mine in the color Almond or Caramel, and it is absolutely beautiful, y'all. This setting powder, I don't know why more people are not talking about it, but it like blends so pretty into your skin. Like, it is so finely milled and pretty, and it just creates such a nice soft blurring look to your face. Like, y'all, I cannot get over it. And this Eco Tools brush has been my favorite. This powder brush is so soft, and to create even more of a mattifying look, I've been using my Innisfree No Sebum powder. I have a whole video on this powder. You can get it on Amazon or eBay, but to me, it's like a nice pore blurring primer, and it really does control your oils throughout the day. And because Physicians Formula is like my new BFF, I have been actually trying out their new butter bronzer. Now, obviously, I cannot use this as a bronzer, so I like to take that AOA beauty blender and dip it in there and then basically use it to set my entire face because it's like a sheen to it. So it creates like a nice matte glow, if that makes sense. Like, it just creates a little bit of glow to your face, and it looks really pretty. And to further bronze up my face, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the color Cocoa, and this to me is definitely a dupe for the Sephora Micro Smooth in Deep Ebony. You guys know I love that stuff, but if you wanted a more affordable option, this is a good color and a good one to start with. Going in with my Physicians Butter Highlighter in the color Rose Gold. Yes, y'all. With this beautiful brush that I found on Amazon. It's called the Do Care Highlighting Brush. And I think this is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting brush. I love the shape of it. But y'all, look at this highlighter. Like, I'm so surprised that these Physician Formula products have really, like, stepped their game up. Like, we, you know, with darker complexions could never use these before. But man, like, I'm so impressed. Now, I haven't really been rocking lashes lately, y'all. I just been rocking my natural lashes. And I'm priming my eyes with the Loreal Voluminous Primer and going in with this Maybelline Mega Plush Express Mascara. Now, it's not really great on its own, but because it's like a gel mousse formula, it's a great layering mascara. So I've been pairing this one with basically any mascara that I've been gravitating towards. And the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect one has been my favorite lately because it does really lift your lashes and make them look beautiful. So yes, for natural lashes. Gonna finish up my lower lash line with that darker color in the After Dark palette, nothing fancy. And then I'm going to do my lower lashes with the MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash. You guys know that I love this, you know, mascara. And I've been playing with color in my waterline. So I've been taking this NYX retractable lip liner. It's in the color Cocoa. And just popping that in my waterline. I don't know. I've been putting different like blues or browns or something different than matte Costa Riche. Because you guys know that's my favorite waterline color. Just trying something new. And y'all, this blush highlight palette from Sephora, oh my gosh, this is the Spice Market blush palette, and this is beautiful. And I love that Physicians Formula highlighter, but I wanted to change up the color a little bit with this look. And y'all, this palette is so pigmented. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It's like warm golden, coppery, brown, you know, like everything like that is mixed into this particular palette. So if you are a warm girl, you will absolutely love this palette. These blushes are beautiful. They have like a sheen to them, which you guys know are my favorite type of blushes, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Now for lips, oh my gosh, y'all, Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. These are my favorite liquid lipsticks ever in life. Like, these are beautiful. This wand applicator will give you a cupid's bow that you didn't even know you had. This makes it so easy to apply your lippies. This is in the color Out Loud, which is a beautiful brown terracotta orange. It's so pretty and it dries matte and it's comfortable. And they are long lasting. And because I wanted to switch it up just a little bit, I also popped on this Hard Candy Cashmere Silk lip gloss in the color Biscotti, which I normally wouldn't really wear them together because I do like the Smashbox by itself and I like this Hard Candy by itself, but I wanted to show you guys both of them. And it's so creamy and silky on your lips. It's beautiful. Setting my face with Pearl Essence Coconut Rose Facial Mist. I love this stuff. It's so hydrating to your face. And then I'm just blending that in with my beauty blender to make sure there are no watermarks on my face. Whew. But yes, y'all, this is the final look. Thank you so much for tuning into my favorites video. As always, I hope this was helpful. I will list everything in the down bar per usual, and make sure you check out any other video while you're still here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.